Yep.
Uh-oh.
You know how much they are right now? 180 bucks. How are you?
Just us two? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Do you not want me to use cash?
No, you have to use cash, you have to use cash.
Do whatever's easier for you.
Money talks.
All right, so 100, 200, so 320.
Yes, ma'am.
That's it.
Thank you very
Go.
much. Have a great day. And guys, we just got $1,000 worth of KitchenAid mixers for 300 bucks.
To get all of these deals, you can claim a free 3-day trial to our reselling community in the link in my bio.